Today we are going to Darjeeling from Siliguri. We are right now around Sonada and we have stopped for a break. Hey guys, so we have reached Darjeeling. The ride was very fast. It took us around 2 hours. You can see my hair. So hey guys, we are going to have breakfast right now and we're going to Keventeer'S for breakfast. We are passing Darjeeling Clock Tower. The iconic Darjeeling Clock Tower is in the movie Burfi and many other movies. That's it. We are moving towards Chowrasta from Clubside Stand and we are on the Mall Road, and Keventeer'S is the first shop to the left. You can see the shop. And we're going to have breakfast out here and then move on towards Chowrasta. That's Planters Hospital. Out here, that's the Planters Club. So we're trying to go to Keventeer'S and see inside. Keventeer'S is a very popular name in Darjeeling. It's a confectionery shop on the ground floor and a restaurant on the top floor. On the stairs to the restaurant, you'll find various paintings, photographs and other pictures from the British Raj and the later years. This place is here from the British period and hasn't changed its appearance since. We have placed our orders and we are currently waiting for the food, looking at the beautiful view outside. So guys, food is here and it looks delicious. So we're not going to waste any more time and we're just going to dig in. To all those of you out there, bon appetit. Well guys, after a hearty breakfast, it's time for some ice cream. And since M has got a craving for an ice cream, so we're going downstairs to grab an ice cream. You have to get a token for an ice cream and it costs 30 bucks. And if you hand over the token to the man out there with the machine, and he will give you the ice cream of your choice. So hey guys, we are at Mall Road. You can see this way goes to Chowrasta. So we'll go towards this way right now. Just follow me. We are going towards Chowrasta right now. So this is the Mall Road. It's changed a lot since I stayed last time. There are a lot of tourists out here, though it's off season, and we're right now near Glenaries. There is a very well-known shop out here. We'll go inside, but not now. So we're moving forward towards Chowrasta Square. There's the Glenaries restaurant. And the Das Studio is one of the popular photo studios of the British period. You'll find a lot of pictures from the British period and modern times up for sale out here. Now we're moving further uphill on the Mall Road towards Chowrasta, and we're in front of the Bishwa Bangla shop that has been installed recently. It's quite hot out here, you can see. It's too sunny, though we are in Darjeeling right now, but it's quite hot and I'm sweating. Hey guys, we have almost reached Chowrasta, and you can see the Chowrasta fountain from here. It's not functional right now. I'll show you in the evening when it becomes functional. It's a very nice sight to see. And this is the entry point of Chowrasta from the Mall Road, Darjeeling. And to the left, we have the several popular shops like Fiesta, the ice cream shop, and Chowrasta stores. And that is the mall in front of you. And this way is the Jakirusen Road and the horse stables. And that's the mall. That's the Darjeeling Chowrasta as we know it. So this is one of the popular places in Darjeeling, and it's a must visit. Most of the shops are closed out here because it's Eid today and it's a holiday. And this place is a no-fly zone, so you cannot drive out here. Only pedestrians can walk. So this is the fountain again, and that's the way towards Zakirusen Road. That's the mall road. So let's go a little bit further towards the center. So this is the Chowrasta stage where you see the performances, and that's the view to the back. And this is the compound, Chowrasta compound. And there you can see this bhanu statue at a distance. You can also see Windermere Hotel, center of the screens, and a giant screen has been installed out here. So this is a place to hang out for people and tourists, and those are the old shops, the iconic Chowrasta shops, and the Chalet Hotel. And there's a new mall market out there. There's the Bhanu statue. We are going towards this way, that is towards Mahakal Mandir. And there is also a new market out here. Hey guys, we are at Chowrasta right now, and you can see the stairs. And that's the view towards the back. And these are my friends. Chowrasta during the daytime. See you in the afternoon. Oh man, he's very hot, and I guess he wants to take a dip. So guys, welcome once again. And here we are at the mall. You see, there you have it. That's Darjeeling Mall at sundown. You can see it's been showed out here. So you can see there is the thing that has been created out here, the display board, and there is the Bhanu Bhakta statue. Out here he is a well-known Nepali poet. Out here the birth anniversary of Bhanu Bhakta is considered as a holiday. This is the mall. I am standing in the center of the mall right now. You can see the various shops, the iconic shops out here. The Oxford bookstore is out here, and Habib store is out here. Today is Eid day, so many of the shops are closed. Right now we are going towards the I Love Darjeeling symbol that has been created recently. So let's move towards it. Now we are moving towards Loreto College, Southfield College. It's dark, quite dark out here right now. It's evening, the sun is coming down. So still I'll show you the way. This is the entrance to the classic Windermere Resort. It's a heritage hotel. Many famous people stay there. Like Shah Rukh Khan did the movie Main. Many other famous celebrities they stay here. There are other hotels out there also. So we're moving down towards Southfield College and St. Andrews Church. You can see that peak of the church from here. There's a view from here. It's quite nice. You see the Darjeeling town from down here. And that is Loreto College or Southfield College. Formerly it was known as Loreto College. It's a women's college. And out here we have come to the iconic I Love Darjeeling. You can see. So guys, we are at the I Love Darjeeling, the icon that has been created in India. She's sitting down there. This is something that has come up new and come up in every Darjeeling district. There is one in Karshan, there is one in Merrick, and this is the one in Darjeeling. So it's a place people come to click photographs as we're doing right now. This is the rabindra manch. It's an auditorium built around 10 years ago. And this is St. Andrews Church. Behind the church is the Gymkhana Club. So guys, this is the St. Andrews Church out here, and the Rabindra Manch is an auditorium. It's built for Darjeeling. It's very nice inside, but right now we are not going inside. And next to it is the St. Andrews Church out here, you can see. That's the church. It's quite an old church. It's here from the 18th century, in the early 18th century. So I'll just cross the road and show it to you. There's the church. And there's a graffiti out here.
Overall, the scene is beautiful.
The view of Darjeeling town from this place is very nice. And now we'll move on towards Chowrasta fountain. Hey guys, we are at the Chowrasta fountain out here, and the fountain is being illuminated right now. It starts around in the evening, and you can see it's quite nice, the view. And you can see people out here who are sitting on the Chowrasta place. It has been raining for a few minutes. Now the rain has stopped, and again people are coming out. You can see again people are coming out of the mall. This is the view of the fountain once again. Good. Well guys, that was a visit to Chowrasta in Darjeeling. In our next episode, I'll take you along as I try to search for my roots in Darjeeling. Till then, tell us how did you find our video through your comments. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel to be a part of our journey. So we are going to get a cab towards Singmari, and we are going towards the main taxi stand. There's one in Chowk Bazaar. So guys, this is my college. I used to study here. I'm taking it back. But today I couldn't find any of the teachers out here. Still, it's not sad because. So guys, there's a place we used to have food out here. The owner of the place is not here, and this is the son. He's making the dish for us today. Okay, this is Suraj out here, and he made us a good pale. So I'm moving towards my old street, and let's see if I find my own place still intact. Place I used to stay 10 years back. So let's get inside. It's changed quite a lot.